and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a super exciting video. I'm going to be doing something that I've never really done before, but I've always wanted to do. It's going to be a kind of productive vlog, but specifically kind of like a work day in my life. I've kind of switched over to doing YouTube full time, which is so crazy to say. I have a lot of kind of work days from home, just showing you guys what it looks like when I'm having a productive work day at home. And this could be almost like college. Sometimes I will take a day where I don't have classes and just spend the whole day catching up on my homework, but more times than not, it's more YouTube focused. So I'll take the day to film videos, edit videos, respond to emails. I'm gonna be kind of taking you through kind of what those days look like for me. I've got kind of a mix of things to be doing today. It is actually pretty late in the day. I was gonna wake up really early today and just have a super productive day, but then I ended up staying up late last night, finishing up some things. Ended up sleeping in. Most of the things I'm going to be doing today are filming related, so I have a couple videos I needed to film. I was waiting on the packages to get here, but I don't think those packages are going to be coming today. It's kind of reworked my schedule based off of that. I made a list. I feel like I've talked about this in a couple different videos, but basically what I like to do, I have a planner that I write everything in, and honestly everything is very planned in advance. I write all of my due dates for school. I plan videos kind of very in advance, but it changes a lot. So I kind of have a guide, I can pretty much turn to any week and have a pretty good idea of what I need to do that week. So I kind of go based off of that, and then I make a to-do list on my phone, on my notes with the little bubbles based off what I need to do, and I also write it down as well. I have my little to-do list. I need to do my PR homework, to film I'm going to do a current favorites video. It's not going to be going up till the end of the month, but I want to go ahead and just kind of get a head start since I have classes almost every day. I have a video that I filmed over Christmas break. If I have time, I'm going to go ahead and edit that because the video I originally planned tomorrow, the package didn't come, so I'm not going to get that. It's not going to be uploaded tomorrow. So now I kind of have that video as a backup. I also need to pack a bunch of Poshmark orders, which I'm going to be telling you guys about here in a second. I recently listed, I don't remember exactly how many items. I want to say maybe 20 to 30 items. So I've been packing a bunch of orders every day. So I'll talk about that in just a second and give you guys some tips on that because that's a great way to make some extra cash. I made these little thank you notes on PicMonkey for Poshmark, and I just put them in my orders. So I printed out a bunch of these and I need to cut them out as well. I also need to go through a bunch of tax stuff because it's about to be tax season, and YouTube is very complicated when it comes to taxes. And kind of also relating to that, I want to go through my computer and sort some recent documents into folders. So really exciting things. That's just a little brief background, I guess, of what we're getting done today. On my work days, I usually start off by going through my email inbox, which is basically kind of brand sponsorships, stuff like that, and I'll go through and respond to them. And that's usually how I start my day, is going through my emails. Sometimes if I have a video that I was finishing up the night before, I will just go ahead and finish that up. So sometimes I'll do that. It's really different every day. I feel like I spend a lot of time sitting here looking at my planner, trying to re-plan out when I'm gonna film, when I'm gonna edit, what videos I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna fit all of that in with my homework and my classes. First off, I think I am gonna pack those Poshmark orders because I am actually going out to dinner tonight, I think, and I can drop them off on the way there, so then they can get shipped out today. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack those now because then they'll already be done. I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about Poshmark. This video is sponsored by Poshmark, but if you guys have been watching my channel, you would know that I am obsessed with Poshmark. I use Poshmark all the time. I'm listing stuff at least every month, if not every couple weeks. I'm gonna give you guys some tips on how you can sell on Poshmark and make some money. I do like to talk about money on my channel usually, but I will say I've made about $300 or $400 in the last few weeks on Poshmark. So yeah, you can make really good money on Poshmark, and you're getting rid of clothes that you're not even gonna wear anyways. Make sure to download Poshmark. I'm gonna have a link in my description. You guys will love it, I promise. And if you guys want to check out any of my stuff, I just listed a ton of items. I've got Brandy Melville, American Eagle, and tons of items on there. So you can also list your own items and make some extra cash. So definitely check it out. Like I said, it's going to be linked in my description. Poshmark is the #1 place to buy and sell fashion at this time. It is so easy to use. The process of listing an item, I'm gonna go through it here with you guys. Actually, I'm gonna screen record it. Here are some pictures of some items that I had recently taken pictures of, and I'll just take a picture of the whole entire item and then I'll take a close-up of the fabric just in case it is kind of pilly or worn, so the person buying can see that. Close-up of any details like the tag on the inside, if it has any like distressing, like this flannel in particular has some distressing, so I took pictures of that. So once you've taken all the pictures, you can go into your camera roll and then choose the pictures that you want to upload. You pick the cover picture. For the title, I always put the brand in the title. If it's new, I'll usually put parentheses new at the beginning because those usually will sell fast. People like to see that it's new. If it still has the tags, I will usually put the tag in the cover shot. A really good tip, and this is actually like a tip by Poshmark, is that if the description has more than 100 words, the likelihood of a sale increases by 40%. Kind of like what I told you earlier. If you mention the brand name, the likelihood of a sale increases by 110%. This is probably my best tip when it comes to getting your items to actually sell. I have these Express jeans and they've been on there for a while. Nobody's really trying to make offers on them. They're just kind of they're not really selling. They're currently on here for $20. You can do a private offer, so I could publicly drop the price, or I have 9 people who have liked this, so I can just do a private offer to those 9 people. So it has to be 10% below the original listing price, and then you have to also offer a shipping discount. So I think the shipping is normally like about $7, so I could pay for that $7 shipping for them, or I could just pay about $2 of the shipping. I will also just offer a little bit of a lower price. So I'm gonna offer $18 and I'll pay for $2 of the shipping for them. So I'm gonna obviously make less, but it might help me sell it a little bit faster. So it'll just let all of those 9 people know, like, hey, your shipping is gonna be $2 cheaper and you're gonna get these jeans for $18. And that offer only goes for 24 hours. And then I kind of already touched on this, and you'll see this when I'm physically packing the items, but I always include a thank you note. If you guys have ordered from me before, you've probably seen my thank you notes. My items sell pretty fast on the app. In the last week, I've sold like 15 or 20 items or something like that. So mine usually sell fast. I feel like when I initially list them, I'll sell a lot, and then I'll kind of go back and, you know, do the little offer thing or whatever, and then I'll sell more. Just a fun fact, some Poshmark sellers can make up to like $60,000 a year on Poshmark, which is like crazy. You can make some really good money selling on Poshmark. It's definitely some nice extra cash, and it really helps me clean out my closet while still making some extra money. I think it's actually really fun to like pack up the Poshmark orders, and I just like really enjoy doing it. So I love like writing a little handwritten note. Sometimes people will send me like Instagram DMs of their packages with my notes, and it just makes me so happy. Definitely make sure to download Poshmark. I'm gonna have it linked at the top of my description. Make sure to follow me on there. My closet is Emily Grace 268. Comment your closet name below so we can all follow each other and stuff in the comments. But yeah, now I'm gonna be packing those orders. Oh, I've been screen recording this whole time. Oops. That is some of my tips for making money online. I feel like I'm always packing Poshmark orders, whether it's my workday or not. But on my workday, sometimes I will list stuff on Poshmark, but today I'm just packing. That is a big part of my workday, so I just wanted to throw that in here. And also thank you to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. Yeah, let's get to packing. Also, I need to clean my room. It's not even messy. I just really need to like make my bed and then pick a few things off my floor. So I'm gonna do that. My room is all clean for the most part. And now I'm just going to pack all of my Poshmark orders. So if you guys have seen some of my closet videos, you would know I have like a little section in my closet right here where I keep all of my Poshmark stuff. It's a little disorganized right now. I like this whole section of my closet with Poshmark stuff because I really am constantly using it. Right now I'm gonna grab the things that have sold. So this black sweatshirt sold, green sweater sold, this brand new flannel sold, these 2 tank tops sold. Section needs to be a little reorganized, but you can just grab these from any post office for free, and that way you can just have them whenever you're packing orders at home. My Poshmark orders are done. I just like to take care of those early on. That way, if I end up going somewhere or something. They're already done and I can just drop them off. I was gonna do my PR homework because it's due, but I really feel like I should film my current favorites video while I still have good lighting. So I'm kind of thinking I should do that. Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a super exciting video. I'm going to be doing a current favorites. I was just thinking about it and I feel like I haven't actually sat down and just talked about some products that I've been loving in so long. Right when I decided to film my current favorites video, the package I've been waiting on to film comes. I swear I just broke my hand. I slammed it in the door, scraped it up, literally scraped the fake tan off of it, and I don't even remember where I was at in my current favorites video. I was just at the beginning, so I'm wondering if I shouldn't just film this instead. Well, I filmed my current favorites video. I feel like it's really long because I feel like I was filming for a really long time. So I'm not going to dinner anymore. I was gonna go out to eat to my favorite restaurant. I got a package from Princess Polly. That was the one, that's what I was waiting on. I was like really wanted to film it today, but unfortunately, it's weird. I usually get it early in the morning, so I don't know why it came so late, but anyways, I'm gonna film it tomorrow then before class. I think it'll already be up if you guys wanna check it out. So let's just see what I got. I mean, I already know what I got, but let's see. So there's everything after taking it out of the packaging. I'm not gonna be showing you all of it because I'm gonna be doing a haul, but here's like a little preview, just like some sweaters and right now I'm just planning out based off my list of things to do today, like what I'm gonna get done. I'm writing it all down and I'm gonna highlight it based off of like the most important and what I can actually think I can get done because I have like way too much on my list for how much time I have left in the day. I've been sitting here, was trying to vlog it, but my battery died. Like I said, the other one was dead. But I've basically just been looking at my to-do list for today and trying to figure out like what is the most important things on that to-do list and what I could do different days. So my PR homework is my biggest priority right now because it's actually like due. I'm also going to edit and upload a video hopefully. I've kind of worked on it a little bit, but I need to finish it and I'm going to try and upload it, and then hopefully I will upload 3 times this week. It's kind of like a little bonus video because the other 2 I probably won't be able to get done until the end of the week. Okay, so I've just been editing this Glossier video. It's pretty much done. I just had this clip of me trying a product that got deleted, so I'm going to just try it out really quick. It was like this brow flick from Glossier, and it's like a marker for your eyebrows, and it turned out so bad, and my first impression of it was like crazy. Like I looked like, I can't even explain how bad it looked. But the clip of it got deleted, so I'm gonna take off one of my eyebrows. Well, not take off, I'm gonna remove the makeup from one of my eyebrows and try it out again on camera so I can insert that clip in here. So probably won't be showing myself on camera anymore in this vlog because I'm gonna have no eyebrows on. Well, I'm probably just gonna take off the rest of my makeup. I really don't have much more to vlog because it's already 11 o'clock at night and I just remembered that I have to get up at 6 a.m. for classes tomorrow. No, I don't. Oh my gosh, no I don't. I thought tomorrow was Monday. I'm so happy right now. I'm just editing this video. I actually never ended up doing any of the things that, well, I washed my makeup brushes. I never ended up doing tax stuff during The Bachelor, and I never ended up doing my PR homework, but I'm gonna do that after I take my makeup off. I wasn't even half as productive today as I hoped I would be, but that's kind of normal. I feel like I always set extremely high expectations. Like I'm gonna film and edit like 3 videos. I'm gonna do all my homework for the week. I feel like I just set like ridiculous expectations for myself on my like kind of work days. I feel like I was still pretty productive today. I got a lot of kind of like what I call admin stuff, like emails and that sort of thing. This video will get done, which is something I've literally been wanting to do for a month and a half. I filmed this at the beginning of Christmas break and then I just wasn't going to do it, but then a lot of people have been asking for it, so I thought I would do it. So it'll be a little bonus video. Packed all those Poshmark orders. I filmed the current favorites video, and that's about it. Also, look at this. You guys remember in my college week in my life, I'll link it here, I had the same exact breakout in the exact same place. Monster pimple on my chin. I get one every week. every week I get this exact same monster pimple on my chin. Like as soon as it goes away, it comes back. And it's always on the side. It's always in the same place. Why? 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 Like, why? If you guys enjoyed this vlog, let me know if you'd like to see more workday in my life vlogs, and if you do, I will definitely do them for you. I do have a couple days each week where I don't have classes, that I'm really just focusing on YouTube and like working and stuff like that, vlogging, and I want to do more vlogs this year on my channel, so definitely let me know if you guys would be interested in them. Thumbs up if you would be interested in them, because that shows me by the thumbs up that you like them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26, and definitely, like I said, make sure to check out Poshmark. Download Poshmark with the link in my description. Thank you to Poshmark for working with me on this video. Thank you guys for watching. So thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.